Welcome, today I am with the Redmi Note 12 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue on the lock screen. So as you can see, currently I have here these themes that I can switch, and to hide them we have to swipe down and swipe up to open it. If you try to unlock your screen, you can just move your finger and it will be unlocked. As you can see, it works easy, but right now it is not working. As you can see, I just swipe. So how to fix when the swipe gesture is not working? You can just use this notification panel control and click on the settings. You will be moved to the settings, then you can just swipe up like that and you will be in the home screen. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.